Your new Samsung TV has arrived, and now it's time to install the stand. First, some safety precautions. It's a good idea to have a friend to help unbox the TV and hold it steady throughout the process. And make sure the television has a stable foundation. We'll lay down the panel horizontally to start in this video, but some TVs will be vertical, depending on the model. Also, be careful not to press too hard onto the screen, and keep any protective padding in place until the end. Now, gather together the parts from the box and grab a Phillips head screwdriver. We'll first attach the stand base to the stand neck. Start by flipping the locking tab up from the bottom of the stand neck. Then slide the notches on the stand base onto the pins on the stand neck and push downward into place. Flip the locking tab back up until it snaps into place. Rotate the stand assembly onto its base and remove the cable cover. We'll now attach the stand mount to the back of the TV panel. Flip down the two tabs on the stand mount. Align the 4 holes on the stand mount with the 4 pins on the rear of the TV panel. Slide the stand mount down and to the right to lock into place. Take care to move it vertically instead of trying to shimmy it into place horizontally. Then, lock by flipping up the 2 tabs on the stand mount. We can now attach the stand assembly to the stand mount. Flip out the tab on the back of the stand assembly. Align the 4 tabs on the stand mount with the 4 holes on the stand assembly. Slide right into place and lock with the tab, as before. We're now ready to install the power box so you can power up. Grab a friend to safely stand up the TV. Your TV will come with 2 different power box cables. It's better to use the longer power box cable if you need the setup to be extra slim, such as for a direct wall mount. But we'll use the shorter one to show how to mount the power box to the back of the TV panel. First, attach the short power box cable to the rear TV port. Next, fasten the 2 provided screws to the back of the stand mount. Attach the AC cable to the power box and dress it along the groove. Align the holes on the back of the power box with the screws. Slide down and securely fasten the power box. Run the AC cable through the guide on the back of the stand assembly. Attach the other end of the power box cable to the power box. And attach the cable covers for a clean look. Now that your installation is done, set up your wireless One Connect with your cable box, game consoles, home audio, and other gear, plug in, and have a blast with your new TV.